You've been suffering from aches and pains and your doctor recently said you need to go to physical therapy. They're going to help you. But you were stuck thinking, well, what is physical therapy and how are they going to help me? Well, I'm answering that in this video. My name is Dr. Garcia. I'm a leading expert in physical therapy, and I'm excited to help you understand what to expect so that you recover faster. Well, what is physical therapy? Before we talk about that, it becomes, well, we have to figure out what it is that you're suffering from and what brought on your pain. You have to figure out, was this because I sat with the wrong posture? Is it because my back is really stiff and I need to loosen some things, or I need to strengthen? There's many reasons why people develop pain, and physical therapists, their main job is to figure out three main things. Why did you get in pain in the first place? And this can go back. This is where we take all of your history, help you understand, well, is it because you were gardening and you were hunched over for too long, or you were at work and you had a poor sitting ergonomics? It could be your poor posture. It could be that some muscles were stiff, some muscles were weak. And this is ultimately what led to this. Well, the first part is figuring out, why did this happen in the first place? The second part is, well, what are we going to do about it? Do we have to do some exercises to strengthen the leg or the ankle, or improve your balance, or improve your mechanics, or your sitting ergonomics? Do you need a better chair? All of these things are very simple, but it all starts with, why did this happen in the first place? The second thing that will help you figure out is what to do to solve that. And the next step we're going to help you understand is, well, how long is this going to take me to figure out? And those are the three main things. And we hear this from clients that come to see us all the time. My doctor said I need physical therapy. Well, people don't understand what physical therapy is. Maybe you've had a history in the past of a physical therapist that you had a really bad experience with, or you don't know what it is. There's a lot of people who are coming to physical therapy with zero idea or bad experiences. But I want to highlight what to truly expect from a visit. Now, this should start with understanding of everything you've done leading up to this point, why you've done it, how it's going to get done, and how long it's going to take to fix. Now, when you start on your first visit, that is the forecast. That is everything that you need to understand. As you come into follow-up sessions, it is really about making the adjustments and ensuring that you're progressing at the rate that we need to. On the first visit, we're going to plan out everything you need to understand. This is going to take you 3 months. This is going to take you 2 months, or this might even take you 6 weeks. That's pretty common. Now, it might take 2 visits per week for 6 weeks just to get you started on that right path. And what that entails is, first we plan. The second part is making sure every visit that you are going, your recovery process is going according to plan. And once we achieve that milestone, the next phase is, well, how do we prevent this from coming back? And this is where we give you injury prevention exercises to help strengthen everything and to ensure it doesn't come back. This might take you another 6 weeks to ensure that you are able to do everything that you love, whether that's pickleball or tennis or softball. First and foremost, the pain stopped you from doing daily activities or even your fitness activities. And then we got rid of that. The next step is to figure out how to prevent this from coming back. Now, the question becomes, what if I don't do physical therapy and I do this on my own? Well, it's a really simple equation. Pain only starts from repeated stress across time, meaning you were gardening too much or you were driving for a long period of time. There's a lot of reasons why pain starts. And when we figure out all the things in your daily life that develop the pain, we can solve that, and you can quickly understand, well, I need to avoid that. I need to do this better. I need to have better posture. And once you understand those things, you have solutions that will last forever, because if it pops up again in 6 or 9 months, you now know, well, I know how to fix it, and that's the best thing that we do for people. Now, if you don't do this, you'll never understand why things happen. And the problem becomes, if you have pain for a certain period of time, 6 weeks or even 3 months or longer, it develops into something we call chronic pain. And chronic pain becomes more than just pain at a local area, your elbow, your shoulder. Now the brain starts to process that you continue to have pain, and no matter, even if you fix the local area and you use ibuprofen or you use medications or injections, the brain still processes that. We don't want that for you. The other side is you develop scar tissue, develop worse pain. then that causes you to be less active. And when you're less active, you go to the gym less, maybe you develop some weight gain, maybe you have no more motivation to do those things. And it took you a long time to develop the exercise routine that you want. So this is not just about this pain right now, it's about what would happen if you continue to go at the rate you were and became less active, less mobile, more in chronic pain, less physically active, less going to the gym, weight gain, and everything else that happens to it. And we've seen this with clients. And the best thing to do is to stay active. Well, how do we stay active? We have aches and pains. Figure out what triggers them, and then remove them from everything that you know. So the solution here is to utilize the physical therapist to the best of your abilities to figure out why it happened, what to do, and how long it's going to take. And once you understand that, pain just magically goes away because we do this on a daily basis. So if you feel stuck with pain and you have tried other options and you're not sure if you're on the right track, you start with a phone call to my team at Sports Performance Physical Therapy to point you in that right direction. Ultimately, it's to help you understand, is this pain normal? Is this pain going to go away quickly? And then help you understand how long it's going to take. Or maybe you've had bad experiences and you want to know, is this person doing the right thing? We're happy to help. It all starts with a phone call just to help you understand everything going through your history to point you in that right direction. So if you're stuck, contact us at the information below and we'd be excited to point you in the right direction, maybe even help you. But it all starts there, and we're excited to help you feel better longer. Hi, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for my weekly tips on improving your lifelong health without aches and pains. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.